back, or welcome to Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my Price's kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and IG. Watermelon is 92% water. It keeps you hydrated, aids in digestion, and it's a great source of vitamins A and C. And it's just, good, especially when it's sweet and cold. Well, Mom went to the grocery store and found a watermelon. Came back home and said, I brought you a watermelon. Isn't it funny how she's always finding things for me? I love doing meal preps, so I decided, why not a watermelon snack prep? That's right. So now I'm cutting up this watermelon, putting it in the refrigerator, and whenever we want it, Mom has some, I have some, it's ready for us. Well, these containers can be found in my Amazon storefront. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below for your shopping convenience. I found a few apples and some strawberries, so we'll just cut those up as well. I certainly appreciate you hanging out with me for Vlogmas 2025. No worries, we'll be back to our regular scheduled program real soon. You know, fall is right around the corner, and I have a couple of special series. But you'll know first if you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell twice, you'll get that alert whenever I post a new video. So hint, go ahead and subscribe right now. And just like that, we're all done. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.